On behalf of M Interactive, I would like to thank AGS, Auxano Global Services, for their efforts in making Imperfect Hero a reality. Most game developers and business owners understand not a single title is released without a few bumps along the road, and our team was no exception. We take pride in our team's skill set, leadership, and capabilities. However, understanding shortfalls and seeking help is a vital step that can turn good teams and good products into great ones. Our team at M Interactive have been developing Imperfect Hero for nearly 3 years. A large action-adventure platform game with 3 unique game modes, 5 varying regions, over 100 levels, 5 power-ups, 10 attires, 10 upgrades, and much more. Withstanding hurdles and issues that would bring some teams down, we at M Interactive stay strong and committed to providing a gaming experience like none other. One with quality, replayability, and absolutely free without any pay-to-win schemes, ridiculous in-app purchases, and enforced advertisements. Imperfect Hero is a game that has been developed and monetized by a gamer for a gamer. Being completely free to play with optional in-game items that can be purchased, and optional incentive video advertisements, not a single payment nor a second of time is asked of you while you play this game. Imperfect Hero is created in the hopes of providing value, excellence, and comfort in the gaming experience across iOS and Android platforms. However, keeping in mind this is M Interactive's first time developing and self-publishing, we strategically decided to outsource some of the more tedious and lengthy challenges our team was facing. Taking into account factors such as availability due to varying time zones, level of experience, price, and knowledge, we reviewed nearly 30 teams and decided on a team that will remain unnamed. The lack of availability, lack of professionalism, lack of commitment, and eventually going off contract were just a few reasons we terminated our agreement with this team. Headed back to the teams we narrowed our search down to, we decided to contact AGS. AGS demonstrated the kind of flexibility, work ethic, passion, and drive that I look for in my own team. Auxano acted as the head of operations, and I could not have asked for a better individual to manage the team. He and his team's knowledge and understanding of the issues at hand were extensive. Their experience in the field proved to be vital moving forward, as they responded in a timely, efficient, effective, and knowledgeable manner to any comments and concerns that I had. Smooth workflow, a phenomenal level of understanding, fulfilling all requirements, delivering a quality product, as well as post-development services are just some factors that have exceeded my expectations. And it will ensure, if outsourcing is an option, M Interactive will surely outsource to AGS and AGS only. To anyone struggling with certain issues or seeks the opinion of experts within the industry, AGS is an option like no other. Thank you again, Auxano Global Services, for your time, efforts, and hard work. The team at M Interactive looks forward to your continued success, and we hope to see Imperfect Hero live on the App Store and Play Store in the near future. Thank you again.